What's up, guys? This is my bike check on my Verde Vex. We'll start off in the front. This stock Verde handlebars with Edwin Del Rosa red grips with animal plastic bar ends. Got a Verde stock stem with stock forks and Cinema 333 rims right there. Shadow Conspiracy pegs, steel. I'm looking into getting some plastic ones soon, just now starting grinding. We got some stock cranks with duo Reslite pedals, another Shadow Conspiracy pedal, back same Cinema 333, just a stock Verde hub, pivotal seat, pretty sure it's duo also. And here's a hub sound. And that's my bike check, guys. Thanks.